Hello everyone, this video is about how to change the installation language of an exe file, and I think this is something that a lot of people would like to know how to do it. So I will just jump to my PowerShell, the cross-platform one, but you can use Windows PowerShell if you want. But before that, my intro first. So back to my PowerShell. I will go to my download folder and get what's inside. As you can see, I have an exe file here. It's a .NET SDK, and if I run this exe file, I'll get this wizard. As you can see, is in Chinese. So I want to change it, for example, to English. What I'm going to do is use this PS culture attribute, but let's check it first. PS culture. So as you can see, this is the Chinese code for the Chinese. This is the code for the Chinese language, and so you just set culture. Easy to remember, English US, and if I check the PS culture, it's still Chinese. So there's a trick. I mean, you can just go close this window and start again. If you start again, for example, and type PS culture, it will be English, but I'm going to show you a trick that you can do from here. So you just run PowerShell again for the cross-platform and exit this one, and voila, you get a new window. Just to check, we have US. So if I run the exe file, you can see we have English. I'm going to close this, and I have a video on how to get this codes, and I will just type it here real quick. So I'm just going to call it codes. You get it from this class. So, for example, it's a list. So if I go to 150, for example, you can see we have the name, this is how they call it, that we want in display name. So if you want Korean, for example, or French, let's go for French then. So I will just filter this where display name is like French. And voila. And you choose the one that you want. I will just go for the French. The bug. So set culture. If I check my PS code, PS culture, it's still English. I'm gonna reload this window. Check, as you can see, and just run the exe file, and voila, it's in French. I guess this is it for today. Thank you for your time, and if you have any comments, please comment below, and that's it. Talk to you soon then.